Hey everyone, today in this video tutorial I'm going to have a look over sensor AD7416ARZ. To gain more knowledge about this sensor, let's go to controleverything.com and search for this sensor. So let's see what we got, and we have AD7416ARZ, which is a 10-bit temperature sensor, and these are some of its features. Today I will be interfacing this sensor with a Java code, and for that go to resource tab, and here is our Java code sample. Click on this Java code sample and you can download it from here, just like that. You can also have this Java code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. Now let's have a look over the hardware connections and proceed further. Well, let's have a look over the hardware. First of all, we require a Raspberry Pi, which you are able to see on my screen. And these are the GPIO pins of the Pi. Now, this is an I2C shield. The fact we use this shield is to make connections with other I2C devices rather easy. So gently place this I2C shield over the GPIO pins and make this connection. Now we require our sensor, that is AD7416ARZ, and this is a connecting cable. Make the connection of the connecting cable and the sensor like this, and while making, please show that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same fact goes for the shield. Now to power up our Raspberry Pi, we need a micro USB cable just like this, and gently insert it over here. For an internet connection, we require an Ethernet cable or a LAN cable. If you don't have a LAN cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module. Now these are the connections which we require. Now let's have a look over the code first. Now let's interface the sensor. For that we require the Java code. So go to github.com and here search for Control Everything Community. Click on it and here type AD7416 and here is our sensor. Now this is our required Java code. Before that, there is an instruction which says that we have to download and install Pi4j library on our Raspberry Pi, and this link helps us to install the library, so please do it carefully. This is the command to compile the Java code, and this is to run the Java code. Please note it down. Now get back to the code, and here is our Java code with .java extension. First of all, we have imported some of the libraries which we require and created a class named AD7416ARZ. Next, we have our address of our sensor, that is 0x48, and in the reading section we have read 2 bytes of data from the address 0x00. In the conversion part, we have converted the data into 10 bits and used the formulas which are described clearly in the data sheet. At the bottom of our code, we have our output data on the screen in the form of temperature, which is in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So this is how our code is. Now let's proceed further and see how it works. Now let's have a look over the code and how it works. First of all, copy this entire Java code and go to the terminal. Here, create a new file with this name and paste the code and save it. Now this is the command to compile, as you can see. And the code is being compiled. Compilation is done. Now we have to run the code. And we have our data in temperature. Now when I press my finger and run the command, there is a change in temperature. Again pressing my finger and running the command, the temperature changes. So this is how our code works. Now let's go ahead. We have just seen the working of AD7416ARZ. This is a 10-bit 4 single channel ADC with an on-chip temperature sensor. It has an over temperature indicator and also an I2C compatible serial interface. Its applications are data acquisition with ambient temperature monitoring, automotive, and so on. This product can be purchased from our website controleverything.com, and the Java code is available on the same site. The Java code is also available on the GitHub repository, that is Control Everything community. For further queries, you can contact us on controleverything.com, and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For more articles and blogs, you can contact us on instructables.com and also on hackster.io. To subscribe more video tutorials like this, go to our YouTube channel. In the end, thanks for watching.